Now this machine right here, look familiar? No, didn't think so. Most of us have not seen this. This is gonna be at the processing plant. All the milk's gonna go through here, it's gonna get pasteurized. They're gonna heat it up really hot. It's gonna kill all the bacteria and make it safe to drink. So that's step one. Then it's gonna go through another machine that's not gonna look familiar, right there. That's gonna homogenize it. It's gonna break down the big particles, the fatty particles, into ones that we can consume. Before we go to the next stage where we make all of these amazing things, and then we package it up. Whether it be in the milk jugs, in the ice cream cartons, whatever. We're gonna package it all up, and it's gonna get packed into another truck and off to the grocery store